Hello, this is Sharon from DPRAC Overseas Selling Department. I'm so glad to meet you here. I trust you have heard about our W52 wet and dry milling machine here, and I would like to introduce more details and functions here. Firstly, we need to know who can use this W52 machine. W52 is a milling machine that can do dry milling and wet milling. In another word, we can say W52 is a very affordable metal milling machine that can basically cut all types of materials and repair solutions, including zirconia, glass ceramic, PMMA, pre-mill blanks, and titanium bars and bridge, etc. If you have an in-house lab and with a small amount of metal cutting requirement, for example, you mainly milling zirconia, glass ceramic, and pre-mill blanks, and send the complex titanium bridge restorations to the milling center. However, after you have our W52, there is no need to do that. You can mill the complex titanium bars with W52, and you can handle it with W52. Regarding positioning, we must say that the metal cutting capacity of W52 is entry level, which can meet basic requirements for the dental labs. For more professional and industrial metal milling, we will release W55 ADC and W58 milling machine, which have excellent metal milling abilities. Secondly, we will see why choose W52. How can one W52 complete works that require 2 or 3 sets of machine from other brands? Let's see what material we use in W52. For the core spare part, the spindle, which is the best spindle in China, 62 mm diameter, 2.5 kilowatts large capacity spindle, which speed can reach 60,000 rotating speed per minute. This is a very standard metal cutting machine, spindle power and speed. The only type with the higher parameters than W52 is the W58, which we will release in the future, which uses 4,000 kilowatts power. The spindle is also equipped with a water cooling system to keep the spindle at a normal temperature during working. All of these configurations are according to the titanium cutting standards. So for other materials with the lower requirements, W52 can work more perfectly. At the same time, like most milling machines suppliers, we use servo motors and ball screws. The servo motor provides higher precision, and the 15 mm ball screw provides higher efficiency and longer service life. Then let's see the structure of W52. Considering that a desktop cutting machine requires extremely high stability, as we all know, when a milling machine is cutting metal, the spindle will generate relatively large torque during the whole opening process. If the structure is unstable, the equipment will produce relatively large shaking and will affect the final cutting precision. So, we strengthen the overall structure. After removing the back cover of W52, we can see that the internal inner structure is made of high-performance cast iron, which can provide higher stability and more weight. Meanwhile, we also put lots of efforts on the wet milling and dry milling application. For the wet milling function, we have upgraded the dual water tanks to a single water tank, solving the problem of the dual water tank being difficult to clean. Meanwhile, optimize the filter barrel, changing it from a small stainless steel barrel to a plastic barrel with better heat dissipation. The size of the fuel tank also being increased, and the filtration system of the fuel tank has been improved to provide double-layer filtration. After our many weeks of testing, the W52 in our own laboratory only needs to clean out the filter residue after cut 3 or 4 metal discs, and the filtration effect is very good. For the dry melting function, W52 is a single disc melting system integrated with negative ion air gun and spindle blowing hole. The negative ion air gun mainly generates negative ion wind to remove the static electricity on the debris and prevent debris from being adhered to the processing chamber. The air hole of a spindle is similar to the nose of the coolant, but it sprays air. We also provide an optional vacuum cleaner. And we also focus on some details designing. The tool library of W52, we designed 18 tool positions to meet the processing of all types of material we mentioned. At the same time, because we were worried about the debris cut from the material would affect the melting bars and the accuracy, we add a tool library cover. It is opened when changing the tool and will be automatically closed after change. Of course, we also have different types of fixtures, suitable for 3 titanium pre-melt blanks, various types of discs, the 6 glass ceramics. We uniformly use the C-type disc fixtures like here, so that all the disc materials can be processed at 90 degrees. What can be revealed is that we also make an upgrade on the B axis here, and it will be changed from the L-type to C-type clap at both ends, so that the clapped B axis will provide more stable clapping, and we will also remain the 90-degree processing function. To sum up, we have added many functions on a small machine in order to achieve dry melting and wet melting in one small device. At the same time, it can also achieve metal melting. We are open to hear suggestions from customers and market, and will continuously upgrading and optimizing to make W52 better and better. For example, in order to improve the melting accuracy and reduce the calibration frequency, we have also greatly improved the details of the W52. Firstly, we add a fixed position at the bottom of a tool library to prevent the tool library from being displaced and affecting accuracy. This one. The second point is we improve the material of the fixture, upgrade from the original aluminum material to the steel material to avoid expansion of the fixture due to heat, which affects the cutting accuracy. The third point is, at the same time, we change the position of the tool library sensor. Move the tool library sensor to the outside of the processing chamber. Original place is internal of this chamber, so that we can reduce the failure rate and avoid misjudgment caused by the influence of the cutting liquid. And the fourth point is, we opened a hole in the bottom of the melting device to have a straight discharge pipe to avoid cutting debris blocking the pipe. The hole is inner part, inside of the chamber. And the fifth point is we add a double-layer waterproof rubber pad to avoid water leakage. Here, this part, we're adding a double-layer waterproof rubber pad. At the same time, our new products W55 ADC with auto disc change function and industrial-grade metal melting machine W58 will be released very soon, so stay tuned. In the following time, welcome our after-sale engineer Joy to display how to operate W52 in details.
Hello dear friends, welcome to Prague. I'm Joy, engineer. Today I'm going to show W52 machine. This machine at all complete coin all-in-one. Why we say that? because W52 machine is dry and wet milling machine. For wet model, it can mill titanium desk, glass ceramic, premium abutment. For dry model, it can mill zirconia desk, PIC, PMMA, so everything you want. Next, let us know it together. Our machine is divided into two parts, W52 machine and cabinets. Open the bottom cabinets, you can see chiller, cutting fluid tank. For the chiller, the function is cooling the spindle, and for the cutting fluid tank is for the wet milling and spare cutting fluid. So when you receive this machine, we need to do pre-installation check. 1. Checking power supply voltage. Use a multimeter checking that. The voltage should be 220 to 214 watt. You can see. If the voltage is incorrect, so you need a voltage transformer. Please also tell us about that situation. 2. Checking machine surface. Whether there is a pin problem. If have problem, please let us know. 3. Prepare 8-liter purified water or distilled water. Also, the cutting fluid. The cutting fluid must be water-based cutting fluid. It can mix with oil and water. Usually, the ratio of cutting fluid and water is 1 to 10. 4. Prepare an air compressor. Air compressor follow better reach 200 liters 1 minute. Air pressure is 0.8 ampere. Equipped with drying machine. Water in gas is easy to cause damage to the spindle. All pre-installation checks have been complete. Next, we install machine. The machine has 3 pipes, in, out, CF. Connect corresponding pipe, in to in, out to out, CF to CF. Connect the chiller power cord to the machine. Connect to the water pump power cord to the machine. Connect the draw pipe of the machine. Add 8-liter distilled water or purified water to chiller. Add water-based cutting fluid, add water. Usually the ratio of 1 to 10. The add ratio refers to instruction manual of cutting fluid. After that, turn on the machine to checking the condition. Here, when machine power on, it normally will show the alarm. See, there have two alarms. One is the water cooler, other one is the request home alarm. Power on, so the water cooler alarm will disappear. And also, when machine power on, it always shows the home alarm. We need to click home to checking the machine function. The home may let X back to 0 position. In here, we have 5 very important buttons. One is home, we already said. Reset alarm may disappear alarm, let alarm disappeared. Pause, just let machine stop. Stop, start to job. And also, important button breakpoint process. This may continue to job. When you meet problem, you click the pause and you want job continue. You can click breakpoint process. The job will continue. In here, debug, you can double click. It will show different level. Here have machine coordinates, information, to menu loading. Loading, you can see. Normally we have 2 files. One is STL file, one is NC file. So properly we will loading the NC file to here. Next step, we remove product metal roll. Your left hand to hold it. Your right hand to click menu, other, to I/O. We can, according to your mailing request, to install the tools, install the bars. Two door open. As me, I want milling the metal desk, so I install the titanium milling bars. Like here, there have wet ring. You can let it a little upper. After that, you can do test. Close the door. Into level 2 page. Menu, other, click T2. The spindle will correct T2. So for this test, you can check in the bar's location. You can see the position is correct, so the spindle can correct the bars. After that, we can click water pump I/O to check in the cutting fluid is spare or not. Next step, we checking cutting free the spare condition. Click Menu, Other, Water Pump I/O. Spray cutting fluid normal, and cutting fluid needed to spray the burst hand in this position. If not, you need to change the nozzle to by hand. For now, machine installation finish. Next, we do automatic calibration. Connect automatic calibration cord. This one is the automatic calibration model. Connect the power. Click calibration prepare. Click to I/O. Install automatic calibration desk. After that, clean it. You can use tissues or paper to clean it. Clean surface. Way back to the screen menu and checking the offside. X, Y, Z, A, B, offside, all is 0. And then click Other. Click Calibration. Yes, the machine will do automatic calibration. We do manual calibration to checking machine deviation using wooden desk or wax desk. USB driver, loading. Find the calibration file. For now, the burst is metal, so we choose W52 calibration metal T2 NC file. Loading. Install wooden desk. Start. For the manual calibration, it will take 20 minutes. After manual calibration, you will get 2 wooden blocks. It's different. One is have mark, other one no. So we measure B, C, D, E, F, G. You can see here. B, C, F, D, E, G. Right now, we checking the value. We mirror B value. It have mark. Medium position, a little upper, like that. Checking the value, 0.99, and then C, 0.99. It's good value. F, 8. It's good. So normally we mirror 3 times. 8, 8. Mirror D 3 times. E G. After that, we get correct value. Input the B value 0.99. C. Double click 0.99. Enter. F is 8, so no need for change. D 0.99. Enter. E 0.99. Enter. After that, it's very important. We must click amend. Click amend first. Yes. After that, we click save. Is manual calibration finish. For W52 machine, we already install finish. Next, I will show you how to use W52. First, I will show you how to use your laptop connect to the machine. About laptop connect mini machine, we need to prepare network cable and laptop. The LAN 1 port is local area network interface. That need to be used to connect device LAN 1 port to the computer interface. Network cable connect machine LAN 1 port. Network cable connect laptop LAN port. Click dplug logo into level 3 page. The password is GOOGOLTECH. Yes. Into system parameter. Checking IP1 address. Set the format based on the on-site IP1 network segment and subnet mask. So normally no need for change. You can check your computer IP address. Okay, we check your laptop IP address. For now, your laptop IP address 0.2. So it's same to the machine IP address. We need to change it a little bit. And set IP address and subnet mask. The IP address should be 0.3 or 1 or 10. The IP network segment should be same. We have two software. One is the work order assistant, which can only be used the transparency file, and other one is the VNC viewer. It's for computer control device interface. Open work order with software. We can delete it. This one is deleted, and we can add new one. The ID we can enter W52, the IP. Enter the machine IP address 1.2.02. Add and read. This is job list. We can in here to transfer the NC file, and also they will show you read process 100%. We can transfer one file, click insert, click join, and then it will show you the right color to send. Here is sending process. Waiting need finish. It will show you transfer successful. We open WinC River and new connection enter IP address. The name is W52. OK. Double click. And the password is +C ONST 0.0. See, you can remote control machine. The machine and the laptop can only connect to local area networks through network cable. Next, I will show you how to do automatic calibration. This is our complete automatic calibration model. First, we connect the power cord. The power cord connects to the machine probe. Install the calibration model. The model installed like this way. Install the calibration box. Click to I/O. Click to I/O. With tissues, you can clean inside. Click calibration. Yes. During calibration, you need to use your left hand to control this wire. Do not let this wire get into the tool library. For now, the automatic calibration is complete. We remove the calibration model. Your left hand to hold it. Click to I/O, remove it. About W52, we have 3 types fixture. One is C fixture. It's for the PMM desk, zirconia desk, metal desk. Also have a premium fixture. glass ceramic fixture. We ready to mill metal desk. Loading, refresh. Metal, loading. We ready to mill metal block. First, we input the NC file. For now, we already input the NC file. You can see here, W52 mini metal desk. Next, we install the metal block. Tie the screw. And then click Stop. Next step, we try to mill premium abutment. Choose W52 mini premium NC file. Loading. Yes. After that, click Stop. This is premium result. Beautiful. Install glass ceramic block. Click Stop. About milling zirconia desk, there have a very important step. We need to do wet milling change to the dry milling. So you can follow YouTube link. There will show you how to do that. Next step, I will show you how to mill zirconia desk. It's a lot of job, it's a lot of step. So if you have any question, any problem, please let us know. contact us. In the end, thank you for your coming, thank you for your time.